In today's video, I will walk you through how to customize branding in Stripe checkout. First, log into your Stripe account and make sure you're working in the correct workspace if you manage more than one account. Branding settings are applied separately to each account, so confirm you're in the one you want to update. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open settings. This is where you'll find the options needed to customize your checkout branding. Inside Settings, find and select Business. After that, click Branding. This will take you to the branding page where you'll see a live preview that updates as changes are made. Start by uploading your icon. Select the Upload option and choose the image you want to use. After the upload is complete, check the preview to see how the icon appears. Next, upload your main logo. Select the logo upload area and choose the logo file you want displayed during checkout. Once the upload finishes, review the preview to make sure the logo displays correctly and is not cropped. After uploading your images, move to the color settings. Locate the brand color field and enter the color you want to use. If you already have a specific hex code, paste it into the field. Then find the accent color field and enter the color you want to use for accent elements throughout the checkout experience. As you update the colors, keep an eye on the live preview. The preview updates in real time, allowing you to see how the icon, logo, brand color, and accent color work together. Continue adjusting the colors as needed until the preview reflects the appearance you're looking for. Review the page carefully and make sure all branding elements appear correctly. If necessary, replace the icon or logo and check the preview again. Continue making adjustments until you're satisfied with how everything looks. Once you've finished reviewing the branding settings, confirm that the icon, logo, brand color, and accent color are set the way you want them to appear. That's all there is to it. Your updated branding will then appear across Stripe checkout and related hosted pages. Thank you for watching.